Well, hello, good afternoon, everyone. Thought I'd make a quick second driving video, this time with a little bit better audio. The first one, sorry, was a little bit kind of fading out. I had the windows down and the camera mount that I bought from Amazon wasn't all that great. So I'm trying a different one. I'm going to record this in 720p, so hopefully the video quality is a little bit better. So hope you guys enjoy this one. A little bit of bad news, I guess. I got a call yesterday from my local Mazda dealership saying that all the 2022 RF Club with the Brembo BBS have been sold out, or Mazda is no longer building these for the remaining year of 2022. So you have to wait until 2023 is what I'm guessing. So hopefully some of you folks are able to get those orders in. Fantastic cars, like I said, enough said. I'm sure you guys heard me say that several times now in these videos. I got about 587 miles on the odometer now, so we're getting really close. So I may open her up a little bit more up in the canyons. We'll see how that goes. The only mod I've done since the last video is I did a sound tube delete, one of those kits, but I'm still getting kind of that raspy metallic sound. Not sure. Actually, it sounds like it's my garage door opener. So I'm not sure. So one of these, I'm not sure if that's what's causing it, but I didn't mount it here. I put it in my glove box here. So hopefully, I don't know, you guys tell me, see if that made any difference whatsoever. Stay tuned. I'm going to make some additional videos. A couple of my buddies and a couple of folks are asking about how I've been maintaining the car, ceramic coat and washing it. And I thought I'd share something with you guys. I've been washing my cars with just a spray bottle. I'll show you guys a gentleman that I had detail my car and clay my car and do the paint correction years ago showed me this. So I may put together some video about that, how to wash your car without a garden hose, and you could wash the whole car, especially a car this size, 15-20 minutes, really just with a spray bottle. It's amazing. The outcome, you guys tell me, is just fantastic and doesn't swirl the paint or anything like that. So and thank you, special thanks to all the subscribers. There's been a few. I know it's not a whole lot, but for me it is. I'm an amateur at this, and I'm not sure if I ever share this with you guys, but this whole YouTube journey has been really just a challenge by my son. My 13-year-old son challenged me. He said, "Dad, I bet you won't even get 10 views, much less 100 or whatnot." So I said, "I bet you I get 1,000 views by the end of the week." And so I thought I'd put it together, and sorry, that's why the first video the quality wasn't that great. We weren't expecting it. I just wanted to prove my son that I told him in life, you got to try. If you don't try, you never know. And now we got, what, 2,500 views and 1,000 views on all the other ones. And then some. I know it's not a whole lot, but that's a lot more than 10 that we thought originally. So hope you guys are enjoying these. And I'm getting emails and comments and a few subscribers here and there. So thank you all. And some of the forums I joined, the Miata community, it's just been, they've been just amazing, wonderful people. So again, thanks for all that. And yeah, to be continued. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's try this again. I hit a little bit of traffic earlier, and I apologize, got the AC going on. It's almost 100 degrees here. It's a little warm today, so let's see and make sure the brakes don't overheat and tires and all that good stuff. So anyways, there we go, guys. Let's see if we have a little bit better sound quality and hopefully better video here. Take it easy here at the very beginning. Trying to be smooth. Second gear here, right-hander. Take it all the way here. First gear. Second gear. Here. Here. Look for right-hander, easy right-hander. There we go. Punch it out through here. All the way. First gear. Traffic. Second gear. Turn, cut in tight. Okay. Accelerate through here. Easy left, right sweepers. Easy right-hander. Left-handed. Right-hander. First gear. Easy left-handed. BBS kicked in a little bit. Right-hander. Easy right. Left-handed. Go first gear again. Going. Got to be a little bit more careful here. There's a little bit more traffic. Oh, there was a fox. Did you guys see a fox? There's a fox. There's a fox. Wow. Second hander right here. Easy through here. A lot of switchbacks. Car's very neutral. Got a second right, left-hander. So first gear. First gear. Second gear. Okay, we got a 180 coming up here. Accelerate through. BBS kicked in, 180 all the way back around. There we go. Just a couple of switchbacks. Wind out here. This is a wide turn. Come in here. Oh, the car slid a little bit. Coming up on a left-hander right here. Let's try it out. First gear. All the way through. Oh, caught a little bit of traffic. Let's go through here. This one little last bit. See if we can make a clean run here. Very easy. Left-hander. Easy left-hander right here. Shift. First gear. Still got to watch those revs. Still a little bit under my brake end, but close. I think I may have passed it. Okay, easy left-hand gear here. Switch back, go right. I thought I would be able to make a cleaner video driving through the canyons today, but there was quite a bit of traffic, so I thought I'd end it there. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment what you think. I certainly appreciate all the feedback and all the comments as well. So until the next time, and thanks again for watching, and take care. All right, bye-bye.